So this is, I guess, more for immediate gratification. So this is a package. Hey, so if you have been following my last couple of videos, I have been sharing things about self-care, how to create your self-care plan. So besides having a plan, things that you do to keep yourself in check, to keep your emotional well-being, to be physically, fit and healthy, that's your self-care plan. So this is a package, so items that you can put in a box or a basket to keep, yourself happy. So this is, I guess, more for immediate gratification. So if you are unhappy about something, if you feel down in the dumps and it's not a good day, then this box or basket could be something that you can go to. I think that when you create your basket, you should really kind of focus on 5 things. So it would be your senses, so your 5 senses. So sight, smell, hear, touch, and taste. For example, sight. So what can you put in your basket that will help with the sight? So it could be something like a book, a really good book. So a book that you can read to kind of calm down and relax. Or it could be something related to a spa. So maybe an eye mask, something that, does something with your eyes. So something to satisfy sight. So next one, smell. So if you love perfume or a scented bath, maybe something that stimulates the sense of smell. So you can try that. Maybe if you have a diffuser, you can put some lavender in there, right? And that would be very relaxing. Pick up the book as well, and that would be for your sight. And put those two together and you are feeling good already, right? And hearing. So could be anything, literally anything that you enjoy, your favorite songs. Pick up, if you still have CDs or records, if you use those, or MP3s, whatever form of audio that you use. Put on your favorite music, right? And just enjoy the music. Okay, next, touch. If you have a favorite stuffed toy, you can just hug that, read your book, put on some soft music. Wow, that stimulates a few of the senses at the same time, right? And lastly, taste. That is very easy. If chocolate is what you need, then chocolate is what you need. And you can put your bowl of chocolate there along with all the other things and you will feel fabulous even if you had a bad day. This will definitely make you feel better, right? So yeah, those are the things that you can put in your basket to make you feel better instantly after a very long, hard day, and you just need that me time. You need to relax. These are some things that you can put together so you can just grab them at a moment's notice and just relax. And another thing that I personally really like is warm socks. My feet are always cold, so I always tend to like to have some warm fuzzy socks on. So yeah, that was all I had for putting together your own self-care package. Let me know what you guys would throw in there. Would you throw in like maybe a bubble bath, or what do you like? What relaxes you, and what things do you like to typically do in your own me time? Let me know in the comments below, and I will see you next time. Thank you so much. Bye.